This is class third C. Class third C. GSC. Date 23rd 9/2020. Now we are studying lesson 8. Lesson 8, matter. Matter. Solids. Liquids and gases. And in this lesson we are solving worksheet 8. Worksheet 8. And we have completed fill in the blanks. Now today B. Tick the right answer. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So here the first matter exists in one state, two states and three states. So which will be correct here? Three states. Matter exists in three states. So first three state statement having the three state is correct. Second, you see, a state of matter has a definite shape and size. A state of matter has different shape and size. Three options are given here. One is liquid. In case of the liquids, its shape is indefinite. And gas having same property. Having shape is the indefinite and volume both are the indefinite. But in the liquids, shape is indefinite but volume is constant. But in case of the solid, both having the definite shape and the size. So for second, solid will be correct answer. So second, you write here solid. And third, on cooling, steam changes into. On cooling, steam changes into. Three options are there: vapor, water, and the ice. Vapor, water, and ice. Which will be the correct answer? On cooling, steam changes into water. Water will be correct option. So third, write about the water. And fourth, the change in a state of matter from solid to liquid is known as. the change in the state of matter from solid to liquid. Three options are given here: melting, freezing and evaporation. So here melting will be correct option. So the change in a state of matter from solid to a liquid is known as solid to liquid is known as melting as ice. When ice is heated, it melts and changed into liquid or the water. So here melting, the change in a state of matter from solid to liquid is known as melting. And fifth, you see, the change in a state of matter from liquid to solid is known as you are familiar to water. When water changes into ice, when water is kept in a freeze and it gets changed into the ice, same type of answer is there. The change in a state of matter from liquid to solid is known as freezing. Fifth, freezing. So here once again you can see the take the right answer. Matter exists in one state, two states and the three options are there. So three states is the correct option. What are the three states? Solids, liquid and gas. Three state of matter is solid, liquid and the gas. A state of matter has a definite shape and the size. Definite shape and the size is found in a solid state of matter. It is found in the solid state of matter. On cooling, steam changes into what happens in the water cycle? Due to action of the sun, water get changed into water vapors and it get condensed to form again water. So on cooling, steam changes into water. What is the correct answer? As you see here, it is written. Third, it is the water. And fourth, the change in a state of matter from solid to liquid is known as learn with an example. Solid to liquids means as the water, when ice change into the water, this is process called as melting. And next on the state This is the change in a state of matter from liquid to solid is known as. The options are given here: condensation, freezing, and evaporation. So here condensation. In condensation, what happens? In condensation, the conversion of gas into the liquid is called the condensation. While evaporation, the conversion of liquid into gas is called as the evaporation. And freezing, the conversion of liquid into solid is known as the freezing. So freezing will be correct answer. So freezing will be correct answer. Thank you. That's for today.